Now moving along. Now in year 4, children actually start to do the tally chart, which means they start to carry out investigations themselves. And they would use a tally chart where they would ask maybe in the class. So this is how children would then go and conduct their own surveys and tabulate their results. They learn how to count, well, not necessarily count in fives because they should already be counting in fives or be able to count in fives when they get to year 4. But now they can see the practical reasons for counting in fives and representing the pictures and then turning them into numbers so that it is easier to count and easier to see. So moving along, they then would take the tally chart and then turn it into a bar chart of their own. So they would have, so down here it says votes, and then the number of people down the side. And so here, if they'd done a tally on fruit, what was the most popular fruit, then this would be a bar chart from the tally chart that they created. So they would have to do both in year 4, creating a tally chart, doing a survey, and then converting it into a bar chart. So then, if we have a look at these questions, which fruit got the most votes? So obviously the bar, that's the tallest. So here it's 8. So 8 people preferred bananas. And then how many votes did plums get than peaches, or how many more votes did the plums get than peaches? So now to work out how many more, we actually have to do a subtraction or take away, and the children would have to look at plums, which is 5, and peaches, which is 1, and then take 1 away from 5, so the answer would be 4. How many more votes did the grapes get than the oranges? So grapes got 6, oranges got 2. Take the 2 away from the 6, the answer is 4. How many less votes did the pears get than the bananas? So the bananas was 8, pears was 5. Take 5 away from 8, and the answer is 3. Now we've got other questions which tests whether it's true or false. So bananas got twice as many votes as apples. So they need to have a look at the value of the bananas, which is 8. Look at the apples, which is 4. We know 4 is half of 8. So which then also means 8 is double 4. So then twice as much is double. So now we're testing children's vocabulary in order to answer this question, and this would be true. So they would need to understand that twice as many means double the amount, and it also tests the maths because 8 is double 4 and 4 is half of 8. Okay, so then we look at the next question, which says grapes got twice as many votes as oranges. Is this true? So grapes got 6, oranges got 2, but 2 is not half of 6. So that can't be twice as many because 2 is not half of 6 and 6 is not double 2. So it's not twice as much either. So that one would actually be false, and the answer is no. Is it true? No. So then how many children votes? How many children votes for apples or bananas or apples? So now we actually need to add both of those together. So because it's bananas or apples. So we look at bananas, it's 8. We look at apples, it's 4. So add the 2 together, it's 12. So how many votes in total for bananas or apples? Then the answer is 12. So as you can see, children need to be able to answer questions from the bar chart, not just create it, not just do a tally, and they have to do the whole process of gathering information and tabulating it and then extracting the information from the bar chart that they produce, and they do that by answering different questions. Hi everyone, my name is Sabina and I've been a teacher for 30 years now, and I also tutor children for their SATS, their 11 plus, and also foundation level GCSEs in English and maths. Otherwise, I actually have a parent and teacher group where I answer your questions, where you can drop me a line in there and I will either write comments and posts and things like that in my group so that I can help you. And I also have a free parent teaching magazine which goes out every month. So if you would like access to that delivered free to your inbox, then sign up. The details are also in the link with this description.